Yeah, come back over here, bro. Getting the bird's eye views and everything.
Get the good views.
Yeah, come low here. You can see that.
Give him a bit of perspective as well. Give him a wide view sometimes as well. Show the great man in all his triumph.
In all his glory.
Yeah, that's it. Lucky getting like no towel on this one.
No towel.
This is a Patreon special.
Yeah.
G'day guys, Aaron and Jason here.
Hello.
Jason's best man right here.
Hey.
About to treat his leg. Anyway, this is an ode to one of our practitioners, Elliot, who loves this muscle, but we're going to show you an interesting way to treat it, and that's side lying here. It's the Adductor Magnus. So it's this really big triangular shaped muscle, kind of in the posterior thigh here, but in the inside as well. So it's an adductor muscle, but they call it the fourth hamstring because it does sit quite further back, right near the hamstrings. And you can see it's huge, has all sorts of different kind of fibers going on, quite a big muscle. But yeah, we're going to show you how we can treat it side lying because it's one of those areas that doesn't get treated enough, and it's kind of where the sun don't shine too. So a lot of practitioners aren't familiar with treating it or don't really know how to treat it, but we use it a lot, and it relates to obviously groin pain, but also hip pain, back pain, knee pain as well. So when it gets tight, you know, all calcified, dehydrated, a little bit angry and stuck, yeah, it needs treatment, and we can do it. So when you are treating side lying though, like Jason gave a little quiver there, it can be pretty brutal, can't it? Like it feels pretty raw, yeah, exposed.
Yeah.
So I'm going to be nice to him.
I guess it's getting more into the muscle belly, or like those, the bigger fibers in there, where when you have the person on the back, we're targeting more just the attachment onto the pubic bone, but sometimes this area, it can be pretty nasty because it doesn't get a lot of treatment through there.
The reason why we're going to do the whole inside of the thigh too is that you can see by the photos that it attaches to the whole femur. Not just the, I mean, obviously it attaches to the sit bone up here, but, sorry, nice. That feel good, Jace?
I was close. I thought I was in for a clank for a second. Little pipe.
Oh, golly.
Oh, that's sore.
Anyway, obviously like Jason said, you can treat up at the tendon here in the sit bone, because that's where it attaches to, all the way up in here. But yeah, it fans the whole way down as well. So we want to treat the whole structure.
Oh, pretty raw.
It's pretty raw in there, isn't it, Jace?
Yeah.
So we're just doing some pin and release stuff here. Just familiarising ourselves with what's going on.
Whoa,
Just
lovely.
pin and release. Just saying hello. Jace getting feedback on his own body too of what actually feels
That one's all right.
quite tender, quite sore. Not too bad
Not
there,
too
Jace,
bad.
on those ones. Yeah.
I feel like it's the high and then right down in the middle.
Yeah, so the high.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt your video, guys, but we're just going to advertise our Patreon platform where we post every day, exclusive content, no towels, just us blokes having fun, treating each other. So if you want to see some MMT action every day, jump over there and you will be very happy.
Yeah, there. Oh.
Right up into that tendon there. So let's do a bit of release in there. Get that Golgi tendon organ sorted so the mid-belly maybe relaxes. If you haven't familiarised yourself with the Golgi tendon organ, go and look it up on Google. Just familiarise yourself with what it is.
That's what our treatment's based off, isn't it?
Yep.
Targeting the tendon. And
Try and affect that little organism within the cells of the tendons. Nice, Jace.
it's good.
Doing good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of those ones where, because when you go get treatments off, say, a physio or a massage practitioner, how is this angle there? Surely they... Get up here. Yeah, it's an area that you don't get treated much. You know, people always get the back, the glute, the shoulders, but this is such an untouched area that can give you really bang for buck benefits. So yeah, you see me doing pin and release there.
And because it is such a big muscle, like it has such an implication in hip pain and back pain. And
Correct. Yeah, it fans the whole inside and back of the leg, AJ.
yeah, like that's where like a lot of people think of hip flexors, quads, and that sort of thing when it relates to back pain. But yeah, quite often the adductors can be missed. Where I'd find they're just I'd probably go to the adductors first.
Yeah.
Out of all those.
Agreed, man. And the same thing goes for strengthening too, I reckon, as well. Like no one really targets contraction and strength of the adductors too. And that the same can give you great performance gains too, can't it? And also pain relief as well, having strong adductors, being able to move sideways, having pelvic stability on one leg especially, which is walking and running.
Yeah.
So you can see me now. I'm still using thumb. I just want to get really familiar with what's going on with this whole complex here. And with the thumb, we have the best feeling. Like it, you know, when we use our hands a lot as humans, so we have the best feeling through our fingers and our thumbs. So, you know, opposite to the say the fist or the hand or the elbow, like it's still great massage tools, but probably doesn't give us that great feedback like the thumb does. So just doing a little bit through there, and then I'll get back to a broader tool now. So we'll go the old fist. Still staying quite superficial though. Just still want to warm up all these different lines, striations, fibers. Because obviously the anatomy book gives us a beautiful picture of just the adductor magnus with the bones, but we've got to realise that it's intertwined with all these other structures. You know, the adductor complex has 4 adductor muscles, and the hamstrings have 3 hamstrings, and they're all interwoven together. So we need to pay respect to that and know that potentially we need to kind of separate these fascial pockets and muscles from each other before we can do some deep cleaning. Feels good, Jace?
Feels good, yeah. It's calmed down a lot with the broader pressure.
Yeah, so as practitioners, if you are a massage practitioner out there, just get really good at interchanging between more digital pressure with like a more finer tool and a broader tool. Like if you're giving someone a heap of curry with, say, a thumb, you know, if they're really struggling, you need to do the work, but like just give them the reward of a broad stroke afterwards, just to kind of let them chill out again. You know, and just kind of relax after the brutal pressure. You kind of need to balance support with challenge when you're treating.
Yeah, it's a big thing, isn't it? Like,
yeah, you can't just be giving someone an hour of absolute curry.
Nah.
Hour of power, yeah. That'll sort you out, wouldn't it, Jace?
Is that the plan, is it, for the Bucks?
Yeah, hour of power.
Oh, when it comes now.
You can come to the first part, Tash.
What have I got? 5 months to organise your Bucks, Jace? Is it about that, or 4 months? And
yeah,
I want it organised
June,
before then,
July,
but
August, September, October. Yeah, 5.
My man.
We're nearly at the end of May, aren't we? So
I know. Where's the time gone?
No, because it'll be this time in October. It'll be this day.
Oh, it's this day.
This day.
Whoa.
It'll be Friday,
Then you're getting married.
27th. Yeah.
Wow, Jace.
Yeah.
You'll be gearing up right now. We'd be getting our suits on. Be rehearsing my speech.
Yeah.
You got any like do's and don'ts for me in the speech?
Nah,
Go to town, he reckons.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fly in 3 of your biggest fans from YouTube.
There you go.
If you're at this point in the video, put your hand up if you want a free flight to Australia to come to Jason's wedding.
There you go.
I reckon I haven't seen him much for a while, but old mate David, he used to be obsessed with you. Remember him?
Jump on it.
Yeah.
There you go. Jeez.
So you're now working down to the knee, guys. Just back to the video. The adductors all come down and attach to somewhere on the inside of the knee, and it gets pretty raw down here too. So just with the thumb, I'll show you. We'll see if we can find anything on Jace.
Ooh. Oh,
Yeah, there's always a little bit of
fear of it.
just the initial fear.
That's got a. I reckon if you go a little bit
A little
lower,
bit
it'll
on
be-
it.
No, not too bad.
It's okay, bro.
Yeah,
Happy days. A little bit more there.
that's got a bit more. Yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah,
That's a hot one there.
Yeah, hot. Oh,
Yeah, that feels really kind of hardened in there too. So that's kind of where the quads almost start to come kicking into it as well. And the adductors really thin out and become quite tendinous down in this part. So yeah, just pay respect to that too. Got to be careful going in. Don't go too hard. But yeah, once again, still good to really work into the other end of the tendon as well. You're doing good, Jace.
yeah, it's not too bad.
Doing good. All right, let's go up here. Let's try some finger work, eh? So come over
Ooh.
here. Like, you can stay there if you want, but yeah, just like using the 8 finger pads. I'm just getting into these areas, seeing on Jace.
Getting a nice close up, Leo.
Yeah, I know. He's
All the good angles. Get him a good angle. Make sure I look good.
For David.
for David. I feel like it's really softened up though, eh?
Yeah,
Compared
it's
to
a
when
lot
we
easier than when you
first started.
started. Yeah. Oh,
A little bit in
Little
there,
bit back
Jace.
there, yeah.
Hold that there, yeah. I feel like I can like even weave
yeah. Oh.
into that there, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Bit into it. Oh.
Just that muscular tendinous junction there.
Yeah, and you just feel so many like different ropey bits that you can kind of fly over and free up because there are so glutes twitching.
Yeah.
Where? Show us.
The left glute.
Okay.
It's coming up. It's coming up. There you go. Can you see it from there? It's like
Yeah,
underneath.
it's
Yeah?
Yeah, come back over here, bro. Getting the bird's eye views and everything.
Get the good views.
Yeah, come low here. You can see that.
Give him a bit of perspective as well. Give him a wide view sometimes as well. Show the great man in all his triumph.
In all his glory.
Yeah, that's it. Lucky getting like no towel on this one.
No towel.
This is a Patreon special.
Yeah.
Even Aaron's stance, like the body weight, the spread.
The spread.
Spread legs.
Yeah, good at doing that.
Spread eagle.
Spread
That's a bit of a different spread.
You'll be doing that tomorrow, Tash.
The pole.
For a poll.
Isn't the spread eagle something completely different?
Oh, I was thinking in the stirrups.
Oh, I thought it was.
What's the
something
spread eagle?
else. No, I'm not going to say on video.
There's a pub next to us in Richmond called the Spread Eagle.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah.
That's cool.
That's calmed down a lot there.
Yeah, might just go a little bit more into the actual adductor and see what's going on here too.
Mm.
See if there's much in there for you. There's something there, eh? Definitely.
Yeah. Oh. Coming
Dissipated.
up to it, I reckon if you go this way a bit. Oh, there we go. Yeah.
It's good, bro. A little bit more to the front as well. How are the finger pads? As
It feels good. Yeah,
yeah.
it feels relaxing. Like painful, but like not too
Not
overpowering.
too overbearing.
Overbearing. That's the one.
Don't let me overpower you, Jay.
Yeah. Oh, that's got a bit on it though.
Yeah,
Oh.
there's a little nugget in here.
Yeah.
isn't it? I can feel that. I want to
Oh,
work
I'm gonna be
through
running
that.
well tomorrow. Had my left glute and left adductor done.
You'd be
I'm gonna
kicking at
flying.
60 metres, bro.
Oh, that's got more on it.
Kicking goals, you reckon?
Well, we'll
That's
see.
a bit of a stretch. Might finish off with one big Hail Mary down the guts
Oh.
of Jace. What do you reckon?
Jesus, gonna put me.
If you're on Patreon, you would have seen Jace doing this to me last week, I think. Was giving me heaps.
Oh, I didn't even know. I thought I was going light.
I think you were up here last week in me. That's where
Yeah,
you
I was.
were.
Oh.
See how brutal it is?
Doesn't need much, does it? What's going on here? I feel like my head position.
Stand over there and get the...
I didn't even mean. Well, just where he stood is like where my arms resting.
While you're there, Jace.
Just
Return the favour. Square. Oh, yeah. Hey, look at this, Leo. He's doing my adductor as well.
Oh, yes.
I can double whammy.
Oh.
It's a bit with
Bit weird. I don't know what I'm treating, but I'm hoping it's a doctor. Screaming.
Third leg. All right. We're on the move here. We're on the move.
It's feeling good.
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Let's take this down and then he's done. He's ready.
Oh.
So, yeah, moving pretty good through that. My man.
Oh.
And then it gets a bit hairy down here.
Bit
It gets
hairy.
a bit how you doing.
It's alright though.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh.
I just finish off with one more in the tendon.
Oh.
Just send him on his way with a bit of tendon stuff. So feel the sit bone there. I'm just rubbing up against the sit bone there. I'm just going to go straight down. Bit in that, Jace.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, cool. Just finishing him off here. That sounds a bit weird.
There's always a bit of innuendo.
Innuendos there. So yeah, finish off with a bit of a
Oh.
broad cross fiber stuff in here. But yeah, that feels like we've taken a lot of the tone out of it. I feel like it's a lot more relaxed and he's ready to go. So yeah, if you're customers, if you're a massage practitioner, try side lying, treat the adductors like first of all, because it can be amazing for, like I said before, hip pain, groin tendinopathies, lower back pain, knee pain. And even if you just got athletes and you want to try and increase their performance, even if they don't have pain there, crack into it and let us know how you go. All right?
Thanks,
See ya.
guys. See ya.